Automation is happening all around you. Most days you take advantage of it without giving it so much as a second thought. Automation makes your life easier and more productive. So what would it be like if you set out to automate mundane, everyday tasks you do in your job as an engineer? Let's take a look at an example. Take the issue of manually creating a PDF of a SOLIDWORKS drawing after it is released to production. To do this task, first you need to know that 1. The drawing had been released. You'd have to 2. Find the drawing, and then you'd have to 3. Open the drawing in SOLIDWORKS. Once open in SOLIDWORKS, you would then need to perform 4. A save as of the drawing, and 5. Select the PDF format. Finally, you would have to know 6. Where to store the PDF, and 7. What to name the new file. Now, let's take a look at how SOLIDWORKS PDM Task Automation functionality would handle automating that same process for you. After finishing a drawing in SOLIDWORKS, you'd right-click on the file in Windows Explorer to send it to the release state in the PDM workflow. As soon as that occurs, your PDF is automatically generated in the background and is named and stored in exactly the correct place. Once the system has been properly configured by the administrator, you as a user don't have to do anything. Now those 7 steps are boiled down to one action, a single right-click. SOLIDWORKS PDM is now performing repetitive data management tasks for you automatically, eliminating steps where user error is possible, plus getting it done faster than a user can. It also allows the administrator to set company standards that are followed all the time because the software meets the standard on its own without relying on the user. Administrators also appreciate that the software will notify them that it is working or failing so they can correct any issues that might occur. This is just one example of PDM task automation using SOLIDWORKS built-in functionality. Task automation can also handle generation of file types beyond PDF, like DXF or step files, anything that's included in the Save As menu of the SOLIDWORKS CAD application. Other available PDM tasks include printing, Draft Site to PDF, Microsoft Office to PDF, and SOLIDWORKS Design Checker automation. And there's more. With SOLIDWORKS PDM, you can automate the export of your SOLIDWORKS parts as an item master in your SOLIDWORKS assembly bill of material data for use in your business or ERP system. If supported by the downstream system, the exported file can be imported, saving you precious time and ensuring no typos from having to re-enter the data. With the right tools, quick and efficient processes are within your reach with SOLIDWORKS PDM.